If you already have blog posts or FAQ pages on your law firm website, there's a good chance you're sitting on content that should be bringing in clients, but it probably isn't. In most cases, it's not a traffic problem, it's a trust problem. It's not because your content is bad, it's because of how people actually consume information today. Most people aren't reading long pages anymore. They're skimming, comparing a few different firms, and trying quickly to decide who they trust. So even if your website answers all the right questions, it's not building trust fast enough to turn those visitors into actual consultations. We see this all the time when we're reviewing law firm websites. Great content, but it's buried in legal jargon or just not being consumed. The simplest way to fix this is to take the content you already have and turn it into short videos. Because video builds trust way faster than text, keeps people on your site longer, and helps you show up in more places like YouTube and Google. People want to hire a lawyer they trust. First, identify the top 5 questions your clients ask all the time. You can pull these from your FAQ page, emails from clients, or even questions you get on consultations. Things like, do I need a will or a trust? What happens after a DUI arrest? How long does a divorce take? Next, turn each of those questions into a simple 60 to 90 second video. Keep it really straightforward. Start by restating the question in an easy to understand language. Give 2 or 3 key points, then tell them what to do next. You don't need to overcomplicate it. The goal is clarity, not perfection. The best part? You don't need expensive camera equipment to do it. The camera in your iPhone is now more than enough to get the quality you need. Then, take that video and upload it to YouTube. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, so you want to be sure that you're showing up there as well. Make sure you include your location in the title, like estate planning attorney in Nevada. Do you need a will or trust? This helps you show up when people are searching locally. Next, embed that video on your website. You can add it to a blog post or service page that discusses that topic, ideally near the top. This alone can increase how long people stay on your site, and that's a big factor in whether they end up contacting you. In fact, we've seen firms double or even triple their time on site just by adding video to key pages. Finally, share that video across your platforms. Post the whole video on all your socials. Then, you can break it into short clips and post a few times per week on LinkedIn, X, Facebook, Instagram, or wherever your audience resides. If you want to accelerate this, you can run targeted ads or retargeting ads using these videos. This is how you get them in front of the exact right people quickly. You don't need to create brand new content every time. Just reuse what you already make. So there you have it. This is the exact system we're seeing work across multiple firms right now. If you follow those steps, you'll already be ahead of most law firms when it comes to turning your website into a client-generating asset. And if this content was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Now, if you're thinking, this makes sense, but I don't have time to actually do all of this, we do have a 30-day Kickstarter system where we take your existing content, turn it into videos, and run everything for you, so you can see results pretty quickly. Click the link in the description below to schedule your free consultation and get started. We only work with one firm per area, so if you're interested, it's worth grabbing a spot. Next time, we'll be talking about how law firms can get more clients from YouTube without filming every week, or at all. So stay tuned.